Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable or disable Windows Defender security in Windows. So there are some instances that we need to disable Windows Defender security because sometimes it will block the installation of any programs or applications that we need to download or install in our computer. So in order to disable it, just locate the forward arrow here, aligning the taskbar. Click that, and the moment you click that, the shield icon will appear. Just click that to open. Okay? So once you open that, you'll be redirected to the Windows security. As you can see here, it has this virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall and protection, app and browser control, device security, device performance and health, and more. Okay? In order to disable it, just go to the first option, which is virus and threat protection, and double tap to open. You can also select here at the left side to open. Okay? Here, under current threats, it has this next to current threats is virus and threat protection. Here you need to click manage settings. Okay. So after that, you will be redirected to this virus and threat protection settings. And as you can see here, it has this three options. It has this real-time protection, dev drive protection, cloud delivered protection. Now here's the thing. In order to disable your Windows security, just simply turn this off. And the moment you click that, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes. And the moment you click turned off real time protection, this dev drive protection will be automatically off also. Here, under the cloud drive protection, which provides increased and faster protection with access to the latest protection data in the cloud, you might as well turn this off. Okay? Might as well this automatic sample submission and tamper protection. Okay? So after you disabled your Windows security, you can download the program or application that you want to in your computer. But it is not recommended to turn off this forever. So enable to turn on or activate your Windows Security Defender, just go back here and simply turn this on again. Okay? Just turn this on. After that, in this manner, we are actually enabling our Windows security. Okay? So those are the steps, an easy step on how to enable or disable Windows Defender security in Windows. Hopefully you learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and might as well hit the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.